Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how can program using your phone. This helps those who can't afford a computer to code or program, or for those who need to immediately create a short program in a current situation. Also this is helpful for students who are probably at a place with no books or computer, and want to try out their coding skills. This method is simple. Simply start by opening Google Chrome. And after having it opened, simply start by searching a website called Programize. This website is for coding and has so many skills about coding and programming, so simply search programize.com. And now as you can see it's opened, and as you can see here says learn programming for free, and from here you can sign in with your email and subscribe. So let's start by clicking on this button. Then as you can see here is the courses for Python, JavaScript, C, C++, Java and Kotlin. So for example let's try C++, so simply click on it. And now as you can see here we have so many things to choose from, such as tutorials and so many more. So to code, simply click on compiler. And now as you can see here we have our C++ tool for coding, and for those who know C++, here you can see that is where you set your codes and have them run. So from here you can run your codes. So from now on you will be coding from everywhere you are. I hope this has been helpful, so thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.